There are a lot of organisations available for manufacturers to work with, to collaborate. That could be outfits like IET, for instance, or institutions that are actively engaging in this space and harnessing and collaborating particular expertise. UK BIM Alliance or Centre for Digital Build Britain would be another example of bringing general knowledge in the digital space together. If a manufacturer wanted to look for specific guidance on a particular industry, I would suggest looking at some of the BIM for communities. So BIM for water would be a great example of this. If there's a manufacturer predominantly selling equipment into the water industry, they could look at some of the work that BIM for Water's done in creating standardised data templates for equipment or aligning classification tables so we know what we're talking about.
Data, product data, and data in general should be continuously monitored. Associations, great organizations to be engaged with, affiliate organizations, the IET, great organization, and also to start looking in providers of engagement platforms. Social media, for example, is a great way to monitor how people are finding the usefulness in your data and then review that continuously on a weekly basis, I would say, because sometimes users have a tendency to use your data in unorthodox ways that you never expected, and maybe you need to take note of that for security purposes, but also for extra monitoring of the noise that might be generated by the impact of your data in the marketplace.
There's a step before that, and I think if manufacturers engage with the likes of a trade association, rather than working on a siloed basis, they can work as a unified industry sector and all do it the same way.
I think the key people manufacturers should be talking to is the whole supply chain. It's the client, contractor, architect, engineers, it's the operators, it's the real estate. I mean, at the end of the day, their data form the foundation of probably future digital twins, or whatever we call it. We talk about golden thread. So the data is the key to actually manage our buildings, infrastructure, or built environment better. And if we go down to granular level, the key components are manufacturers' data.
I think it's really important that manufacturers engage with their trade association to get support. Because apart from anything else, your trade association is able to interpret the standards for you. They'll be able to help you collaborate on the right properties you need to draw up. But more importantly, I think they're a voice to government, a direct voice to government for your sector.